Hey gang, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair. So I want to talk to you about a few things to look for that could be concern for your car. So I've been driving this car for a few days. I've had zero problems, zero lights on the dash, and then all of a sudden I come and start it and I've got this light here on the dash. The infamous check engine light. So I want to explain to you really quick exactly a little bit of the theory behind how a check engine light works. So the check engine system, or that part of the ECM that monitors all the things of the car, think of it as a babysitter, and it's watching all these other sensors and all these other systems to make sure that everything is working correctly. Everything's in time, it's working like it's supposed to, it's in the correct temperatures, all the different things. It makes sure. So if there's a sensor that starts reading to it that, hey, I've got a problem, the check engine portion of the ECM will start to pay attention to that. And it will wait for that to act up a few different times. And once it realizes that it's acted up long enough or it's acted up severe enough, it will literally put it in timeout. Meaning that's when the check engine light is illuminated. So in this case, something is going on with this car that caused the check engine light to feel like that it was time to illuminate, to let me know there is a problem with the engine system on this car.